know her because I'm the Avatar. This is the Avatar speaking. I'm the Avatar. I'm the Avatar. I know about trust. I'm the Avatar. The Avatar is back. My name is Aang. I'm the Avatar and I would like to help. But once they find out I'm the Avatar, my name's Aang. I'm the Avatar. The Avatar is back. Okay, you caught me. I'm the Avatar. Great, I am the Avatar.
We know.
Look around you. What do you see?
The mail system?
Instead of seeing what they want you to see, you gotta open your brain to the possibilities.
A package sending system?
The world's greatest super slide.
Boomy, you're a mad genius.
Oh, my cabbages! My cabbages! This place is worse than Omashu! One cabbage slug could destroy the entire ecosystem of Ba Sing Se! Security! Ah, my cabbages! My cap! Oh, forget it!
I think we're supposed to do the dragon dance with them.
What? What about this situation makes you think they want us to dance?
Well, I think they want us to do something. Let's just try it.
Fine. Listen to this. The Boy in the Iceberg is a new production from acclaimed playwright Poo-on Tim, who scoured the globe gathering information on the Avatar, from the icy South Pole to the heart of Ba Sing Se. His sources include singing nomads, pirates, prisoners of war, and a surprisingly knowledgeable merchant of cabbage.
Brought to you by the critically acclaimed Ember Island Players.
Ugh.
Spring, summer and fall. Winter, spring, summer and fall. 4 seasons, 4 loves. 4 seasons, 4 loves.
Firebenders? They were here? Gyatso.
Hey, Aang, you find my dinner yet? Aang, I wasn't really gonna eat the lemur, okay? Oh, man. Come on, Aang. Everything will be all right. Let's get out of here. I am a fan of secret rivers. Fine, let's stay a few more days.
Flameo, Hotman!
Flameo?
I just wish they would wear pants.
Pants are an illusion, and so is death.
You don't understand. If anyone's evil, it's the Fire Nation. You saw what they did to your library. They're destructive and dangerous. We need this information.
You think you're the first person to believe their war was justified?
You're okay!
What is that thing?
This is Appa, my flying bison.
Right. And this is Katara, my flying sister.
I have extra string in the back. Have some tea while you wait.
This tea is nothing more than hot leaf juice.
Uncle, that's what all tea is.
How could a member of my own family say something so horrible?
What is that? What? What is what?
It's a giant mushroom. Maybe it's friendly!
Let's just keep moving. I hope Aang's okay.
Friendly mushroom! Mushy giant friend!
Your Zuko costume's pretty good, but your scar's on the wrong side.
The scar's not on the wrong side!
Your days of tyranny are over, Fire Lord.
Really?
You're gonna take me out? You're not even wearing pants.
No, Fire Lord Ozai. You're not wearing pants.
No! My royal parts are showing!
You're looking at the rare white dragon bush. Its leaves make a tea so delicious it's heartbreaking. That, or it's the white jade bush, which is poisonous. Delectable tea or deadly poison?
There's water trapped inside these.
I don't know.
Suit yourself. It's very thirst quenching, though. Drink cactus juice. It'll quench you. Nothing's quenchier. It's the quenchiest.
Attention, crew. This is your captain speaking. Everyone, please report to the bomb bay immediately. We have a very special birthday to celebrate.
I can't believe the captain remembered my birthday. He really does care.
Happy birthday.
Sokka, watch out! It's Sparky Boom Man!
You can't find an earth-bending master in the sky. You have to look underground.
Who are you?
My name's Tough, because it sounds like tough. And that's just what I am.
That's impossible. The last Avatar was an airbender who disappeared 100 years ago.
That's me.
Throw the imposter to the Unagi.
The true heart can tough the poison of hatred without being harmed. Since beginningless time, darkness thrives in the void, but always yields to purifying light.
Let's check it out.
Yeah, you better leave.
Hey, I got my eye on you.
Water tribe. Look! Can your fortune-telling explain that?
Can your science explain why it rains?
Yes! Yes, it can!
My dark hair turned white. I opened my eyes and began to cry. And they knew I would live. That's why my mother named me Yue, for the moon.
Hello, Zuko here. But I guess you probably already know me, sort of. So, the thing is, I have a lot of firebending experience, and I'm considered to be pretty good at it. Well, you've seen me, you know, when I was attacking you. Yeah, I guess I should apologize for that. But anyway, I'm good now. I mean, I thought I was good before, but now I realize I was bad. But anyway, I think it's time I joined your group and taught the Avatar firebending.